Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Suciati, please you call me Sis. I'm studying at Tiket and BPA regarding the interview. Okay, here I will talk about coronavirus or COVID-19. Before, do you know about coronavirus is not yet? Okay, I will explain about coronavirus or COVID-19. COVID-19 is a respiratory illness caused by a new virus. Symptoms include fever, coughing, a sore throat, and shortness of breath. The virus can spread from person to person, but good hygiene can prevent infection. Find out who is at risk and what you should do if you think you have COVID-19. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that cause respiratory infection. This can range from the common cold to more serious disease. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new form of coronavirus. It was first reported in December 2019 in Wuhan City in China. Symptoms of COVID-19 can range from mild illness to pneumonia. Some people will recover easily and others may get very sick very quickly. People with coronavirus may experience fever, symptoms such as choking, a sore throat, and fatigue, shortness of breath. If you are concerned you may have COVID-19, as a symptom checker, see how to seek medical attention, see more about testing. If you do not have any symptoms, you will protect yourself and others. The virus can spread from person to person through 1. Close contact with an infected person, including in the 48 hours before they had symptoms. 2. Contact with droplets from an infected person, cough or sneeze. 3. Touching objects of surface like doorknob or tables that have droplets from an infected person and then touching your mouth or face. COVID-19 is a new disease, so there is no existing immunity in our community. This means that COVID-19 could spread immediately and quickly. The people most at risk of getting the virus are 1. Travelers who have recently been overseas. 2. Those who have been in close contact with someone who has been diagnosed with COVID-19. 3. People in correctional and detention facilities. 4. People in group residential setting. Everyone must do the following to slow the spread of COVID-19 and protect those most at risk. See important advice about good hygiene such as washing hands with soap and running water, wear a mask when sitting out, cough and sneezing etiquette, social distance, mandiri community meeting. If you travel recently, do isolation independent for 40 days because you don't know you carry the virus, and eat healthy and nutritious food. If you are sick and think you have symptoms of COVID-19, seek medical advice. If you want to talk to someone about your symptoms, call the National Coronavirus Helpline for advice. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. Sorry if there is a wrong say. Thank you for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.